How to make a Discord server. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to create your own Discord server step by step. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. Open the Discord app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of your servers. Tap the plus button at the bottom. A menu will pop up. Tap Create My Own. Choose if your server is for either friends and gaming or clubs and communities. Upload a server icon to personalize your server. Enter a name for your server. Tap Create Server. Once your server is created, you'll want to set up channels. Tap your server name at the top, then select Create Channel. Choose between text channel or voice channel, enter a channel name, and tap Create. Now, let's invite friends to your server. Tap Invite Friends from the pop-up, copy the invite link, and share it with your friends. And that's it! Now you know how to create a Discord server from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech guides. If you have any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.